Celebrating the finest Welsh wines, and we're putting them together with some wonderful seafood from Wales. But first, the wine. Today I'm trying a white wine from the White Castle vineyard just outside Abergavenny. A little bit in the east, but nowhere in Wales is far from the sea. We're close to the sea, we're in touch with the sea. We got the finest seafood and some great wines to go with it. So this is the white wine made from the Segareba grape variety. Unusual grape variety, comes from Germany originally, but it's something that works in our climate. It's a little bit different. It's got a lovely nose. It's got a little bit of sort of perfume, sweet perfume on it. And a little bit stone fruit, sort of nectarine and peaches. On the palate, it's crisp, it's dry, it's lovely. And there's a little bit of that sort of just under ripe peaches and nectarines that are lovely. And they're going to go well with the seafood. I've got some lobster here, I've got a crab here, I've got some, if you're very adventurous, some oysters that would go well with it. My favourite is mussels. From the Menai Straits, fresh as you can get, low impact production, good for the environment, and they go perfectly with this wine. You don't have to go all the way to France to get mole frites. You'll get wonderful mussels and wonderful wine in Wales. Match them together and enjoy it.